In this video, we are discussing 10 ways to love on your husband, partner, or boyfriend. So if that sounds interesting, definitely keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Delores, and if you're new here, welcome to Flourish with Delores. On my channel, I teach you how to embrace your journey, find your magic, and remember that flourishing is about progress and not perfection, honey. So let's get right into these 10 tips on how to love on your partner, husband, or boyfriend. And this is vice versa too. You can watch this with your partner, and they, if it's your wife, whatever, they can also learn how to love up on you too. So let's get right into it. So the first one is to communicate daily. And obviously, if you live together, you're probably talking in some form, but I'm talking about active listening, really knowing how they're feeling, what their needs are. It's so easy for us to get caught up in our workday and social media where we end up really being passive with our partner. So make sure that you are having meaningful communication every single day. Number 2 is to find common interests or participate in their interests. So for my husband and I, one of our common interests is watching certain Netflix TV shows. So that's our time together to catch up on it. We make sure we don't watch it without each other. But for getting into what they are interested in, if you know my husband, you know he loves Seton Hall basketball. I don't really care for it, but I do express interest in it for him in order to have a little bit more time to hang out with him. And he's always trying to bring me to the games, always trying to get me to watch with him. And at first I used to be like, ugh, I don't want to, I'm not interested. But I do think that it really is sweet that he wants to see me enjoy something that he loves with him. So I try to get into it. And so it's definitely important to either find common interests. Well, I think you should do both. Find common interests, but then also think about some things that they're interested in that you can, dabble in a little bit. And I promise you, it'll make them feel so happy that you're just trying to understand a little bit more. So go Hall. Number 3 is to discuss your financial goals. And that's how you can earn more, save more, and give more. So you want to talk about those 3 different things together. And I feel like when you're equally yoked and making sure that you have common goals, it just makes you just feel more in love because you're like, babe, let's dominate. How can we earn more? How can we save more? And how can we give more? Definitely check out my budgeting video for newlyweds if you haven't yet. Number 4 is to choose each other every day. Be intentional about getting closer with your partner. Listen, you may be married like myself, and yes, we took a vow to be together forever, but at the end of the day, we have a choice. We don't got to be with them. They don't got to be with us. So it's important that you have that mindset of, okay, my partner doesn't have to be with me, but they are choosing to. So how can I make them want to choose me every single day? So that's like a number 1 tip that I talk about all the time. Being intentional about doing things to make you closer and make your partner like you more every day, and vice versa. So this isn't just what you can do, but hopefully the 2 of you will do together. So choosing each other every single day. Number 5 is to learn from other couples. So have couple friends and find their secret to their success. And you could do this through our Flourishing in Love community. We have a community of millennial couples who come together in our Facebook group, and we also have monthly date nights. And so this is a great way to mix and mingle with other couples and learn from each other. So this is so important when you're trying to learn how to love on your spouse more. I also offer one-on-one coaching. If you want to learn from my husband and I more on a one-on-one level, we definitely would be happy to. You can find that in the link in my bio. Number 6, okay, number 6 is a little spicy, so it's for grown folks, but this is to get intimate. Explore different sexual or intimate, because intimate is not always sexual, but explore different areas that your partner may like or may be open to trying. And we're grown, so just take that tip as you will, but definitely explore different areas of intimacy with your partner. Number 7 is to humble yourself, baby. You gotta fight fair, and you gotta be kind to your partner. And listen, I'm learning that too. I have not always fought fair. I still sometimes don't fight the fairest. But the way I see my role in my husband's life is I have been chosen by God to protect this person, to love on this person. So it's so important. Sometimes we got to put our humility to the side and humble ourselves, even when we don't feel like apologizing. You know, this is who you're designated to protect and to love on. So definitely humble yourself, baby, and do what you can to make your partner feel loved, appreciated, and heard. Number 8 is surprises. Everybody loves a good surprise. So think about things that your partner may love, and this is all about being thoughtful with your partner. So it could be anything from writing them a nice love note, or gifting them with maybe some para of a sports team that they love. So definitely think about some thoughtful things that your partner would actually love. And this kind of goes hand in hand with the love languages, identifying what your partner's love language is and just surprising them with that. And you know, getting a little creative with that. So if you need tips on that, definitely hit me up, but I'm sure you got this. Number 9 is to work together. It is so important to work together. The two of you are a team. And with working together, you want to make sure that you are praying together, because when you pray together, you stay together. So it is so important to make sure that you are working as a team. I truly believe that marriage is not hard. It's life that is hard. And so when the two of you are working together and it's you two against the world, I mean, baby, who can stop you? So it's so important to work together as a team and fight life's challenges together. Stay prayed up too. And our final tip, number 10, is to be each other's biggest cheerleader. So whatever your partner is into and vice versa, you want to make sure that you're actually hearing them out on it, hearing and asking them how their progress is going towards it, and then cheering them on through each step of the way. That's going to make your partner feel so good and so loved on. So those are the 10 tips. If that was helpful, definitely comment and let me know below. Make sure you subscribe to get more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.